What is up everyone? Today we're going to talk about automating Bpay batch payments in MYOB, which is a real-time saver if you're handling lots of bills. So first things first, simply make sure you've got the bank feed set up in MYOB. This lets the software pull in your transactions automatically, which is key for smooth Bpay payments. Next, when you've got multiple bills to pay, simply head over to the payments or pay bills section. Here's where MYOB really shines. So instead of paying each bill individually, you can create a batch payment. So you'll be able to select all the invoices you want to pay, review the total, and MYOB will generate a Bpay batch file for your bank. And once the batch file is ready, you just upload it to your online banking portal. Depending on your bank, this can be as simple as clicking Upload Bpay file, and finally confirming the payments. So MYOB keeps a record of the batch, so reconciliation is easy. So no more hunting through individual invoices later on. And as a bonus tip, simply double check your payee details and Bpay reference numbers before sending the batch. Because remember, even one small mistake can cause a payment to bounce. And that's basically it. So automating Bpay batch payments in MYOB saves lots of time, reduces errors, and keeps your accounting tidy. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.